How to create account with H&R Block. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in H&R Block and then search for it. Now navigate to this one website, www.hrblock.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're over here, click on this icon given over here. Sign into your account. Now click on the option Create Account. Now you have to fill out this to create your account. First, type in your email address. Then, click on this drop down and select your country. Type in your phone number. Generate password for your account. Confirm your password. Check in for this option. I agree to the terms and condition. Once you have provided all the details, click on Next. Now you'll need to verify your email address. You'll be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered. Go and check your mail and then type in the code over here. After you type in the code, now you'll need to verify your phone number. You'll be receiving code in your phone number that you have just entered. After you type in the code, your account will be created. Click on Done. So this is how you can easily create account with H&R Block. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.